Happy New Year. I have something to show you. Okay, you gonna come sit with me? Come here. Come here, sweetness. Let's say hello. Say hi, friends. Say Happy New Year, friends. You don't see anybody, do you? Do you see Carter? Yeah, there's Carter. Say hi. Look, can you say hello? Can you say hello? Say hello.
Hello.
Hello, that's right. Okay, so here's what we're going to talk about today, but we're not going to push the table over, okay? Today is, we're not going to press the buttons either, day 6 of 100 Days of Lives, and so far so good. It only took me all day to get ready to do this. Still, I was going to talk about skincare, but now I'm not going to talk about skincare today, but you can always message me about it, but I'm going to show you what I did. So, I can't imagine how it happened, but some blush got broken. But I fixed it. It looked like it got fumbled, tumbled, dropped, and spilled. But you can fix it with rubbing alcohol. So, yeah, you can't have it. Sorry. You ready to get down? Okay. Oh, goodness, no. You can't have that. I just fixed it. Here, talk to the people. Talk to the people. Say hi. No, not feet on the table. Well, this is entertaining. Carter, did you do or something else? Okay, put your feet down. Put your feet down. Okay. You're supposed to just say hello and smile pretty. Can you do that? Hello. Okay, so the point of this is you can fix a broken blush, powder, eyeshadow, bronzer, anything powdered. All you need is rubbing alcohol, just plain rubbing alcohol. And it's quite effective. And I guess we're going to wrap it up because this isn't working out so well. Okay, I'm sorry. Well, let's go while it lasted, right? So, here's the blush. I even cleaned up the palette. I did a video of how to fix the brush, bronzer, powder, eyeshadow, whatever's powder. I did a video of it, and I'm going to drop it in the comments so that y'all can see it. He is precious, but he got outdone with me because I didn't want his feet on the table, and I wouldn't let him have the blush, or the mirror. I can't imagine. So, I will say, once you break the blush or any kind of powder, it's not going, you can fix it. It's never going to look new again, just like our foundation, you can melt it down, which they say don't, but you can melt it down and make it look pristine and brand new again. You can't do that with a powder, but you can make it functional. And this was a hot mess. I mean, if I had picked it up and tilted it like this, the whole thing would have just gone all over the table. But look at that. Look at that. Now, if this falls out of here, I'm just going to croak. But it's magnetic. It's in a pan, and the pan is metal. And this has magnets in it, so it holds it together. But because I used the alcohol and kind of crushed it up some more and mixed it and pressed it, then once that alcohol evaporates, it holds it all together again. Like I said, it's not going to look brand new and pretty, but it's going to work. That's the whole thing. Look at that pigment, would you? Okay, let's talk about pigment. We, as beauty guides, we talk all the time about it's highly pigmented. It's highly pigmented. It's over 50% pigment. What does that mean? Over 50% pigment means there's less than 50% of fillers. And that's all that means, is that if you get makeup from Walmart, Walgreens, the beauty counter at Macy's, Nordstrom's, those have a max of 28% pigment. I believe it's 28. And that means the rest of it is filler. Okay, so why would you want to do that? Because the more pigment you have, the less filler you have, the longer lasting it will be. Christy, do you have any idea how long you've had this blush?
I mean, definitely over a year. I may have written it on the bottom.
So definitely over a year. On the bottom of the pan itself?
No, on the bottom of the thing.
No, there's nothing on there. So anyway, there you have it. And let me just show you. I stuck my finger in there. Now, this is not the color blush I have on, but look at that. Look at that. I mean, all I did was touch my finger in there lightly, and I get this much color. I mean, as Christy and Libby would say, this is the First Baptist Church Old Lady blush. There we go. I mean, it's just so pigmented. You just one tap with your brush, and you're good. You are good. So I'm going to try to get some of this off so I don't look like the church ladies. Either that or I just need to like match it on both sides. So, okay, I'm glad to have provided New Year's Day entertainment for y'all with the beautiful Carter man, who is now, I thought he was in the sink. He's on the counter beside the sink with his mama. So, okay, I'm going to put the video in the comments, and y'all can thank me after you watch it and see how it's done. Happy New Year. Tomorrow is day 7. I have no idea what it's going to be. When I run out of ideas, that's when I'll do the skincare, I guess, for winter. So you might want to hope that I run out of ideas, so I'll quit talking about that. Okay, bye-bye. And Carter says,
Bye-bye.
bye-bye. And boo.